Most traders lose money not because there are no what the trend is, but because they trade it wrong. I'm going to give you my strategy to identify trends in most simplest way possible. Let's get jump right in. So, hey everyone, my name is Dheeraj and I'm your basic trading guy. This channel is all about breaking down trading to the basics. No confusion, only strategies that actually work. So, in this channel, I'm going to make 10 parts, like 10 videos. First video will be about trends, then how to the breakouts like indications moves, then what is reversals, what is traps. We'll just roll on this, then we will about talk about psychology. So stick with me till the end and I will give you the golden source of this video. Let's jump right in. So first we're going to be saying about how to identify a trend. So I will pop up my charts so right now you are seeing the gold chart on 1 hour time frame. You can analyze uh, most probably trends in 4 hours, dailies, weeklies. We can see the trend at any time frame, but personally I use 1 hour time frame to identify the trend, then zoom down to take the entries. But we'll just keep the simple how to identify a trend. So first of all, we'll learn about how many types of trends are there. So there are mainly 3 types of trends. So what are they? It's there's a first is an uptrend in which market is forming higher lows and higher highs. Vice versa, market is forming higher highs and higher lows, forming an higher high and forming a new higher low. Uptrend is simply market forming higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. You can see this in 1 hour time frame, like 4 hours time frame, day time frame, or 15 minutes time frame. What the fucking time frame is. But this is going to be the thing. It is the fundamentals, it is the basic, this is how market moves, this is an uptrend and this is a downtrend. Downtrend is simply forming higher lows and forming lower lows. Same, we can repeat this thing again and again. For this is a new higher low, again this is another new higher low. We can call this and okay, wait a sec guys, new higher low, another new higher low, new, this what we can call this, we can call this as new lower low. Downtrend is just forming higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. This is downtrend. And right now we're going to be seeing sideways market, in which market is going sideways, cannot break above. Sellers are in control, sellers are in control, sellers are selling, sellers are selling, buyers are buying, buyers are buying, buyers are buying. So selling pressure and buying pressure is equal, means if suppose 10,000 sellers are trying to sell and same amount of buyers, 10,000 buyers are wants to buy, so market is going sideways. Whenever it breaks, means buyers have been take control, like sellers have been 10,000 only, buyers are like not 20,000, so the price will go up. So yeah, this is going to be sideways market. Just take notes. You can take screenshots if you want, like take the screenshot This video will be short, so yeah, take the screenshots if wanted. I'll be waiting. Take the screenshots, pause the videos, because this is the basics, bro. So many people forgot about basics and focus on the fucking bullshit like ICT, SMC, bro. Everything is fucking bullshit. You do not have to focus on that. Focus just on this, and you will indefinitely make money. Show me one ICT SMC trader which makes good amount of money more than a year. Like no one in the freaking industry which makes money from it. Might be make 6 months, another 6 months in all round. But this strategy, this basics, this is the basics how market will move. So yeah, and I will show you how you can call this an higher low and higher high. So many people misunderstand this. When there is a higher high, we have a higher low. It will just go like this, and we will call this a new higher low. No, it's not. If we want to consider this as a new higher low, market have to make new higher high. Market have to make what? New higher high. Then only we can call this a new higher low. Keep in this head. Keep in this your head. If you want to call this a new higher low, if it like this, you will call higher low or not? No, you will not call this a new higher low. If it is like this, you will call a new higher low or not, because we have a new higher high. We have to break this previous high, make a new higher high, then only we can call this a new higher low. Same as this. If you want to keep this a higher low, we cannot say this is a higher low like here. This is not a higher low. If it making new lower low, then it's called higher low. So yeah, sorry, this is I think so lower high, not higher low. It is called as lower high. Same for this. I'll just delete this. Okay, this is called lower high. My bad. This is called lower high. So yeah, you understand about uptrend versus downtrend, how it is forms. When we have a breakout, then only we can call this a new higher low. Otherwise, it is not just confirmed yet. So right now we will see this on a real market. We have a good trend above this. So what is this trend? We can certainly say that it's an uptrend, because what it is forming, low and high, another low and high, low and high, low and another high, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, which we call this an uptrend. It is simply as fuck. When it do not have to break the new higher low to be in the uptrend. If it is going to break below this, then it is considered a change of trend. We'll discuss it another videos. We will discuss how to identify this move and how to capture this move. That we'll consider in upcoming videos. I will explain you totally, and we'll see right now a downtrend. This is a perfect example of downtrend. Like we can see this, what this shit is forming. This is the highest point market can get. Then we form a new low, then we form a high, then we form a low. Repeating, lower high, lower low, lower high and lower low. See, I'm only calling this lower high when it is forming lower low. Same here, just repeating the same self. So yeah, what you will call this a new lower high? Yes, because it has a new lower low. You call this new lower high? Yes, because it has a lower low. You will call this new lower high? No, because it does not have a new lower low. If you are mistaking that this is a new higher hello, sorry, and if you see, you will call this a new lower high? No, because we don't have any new uh, lower low below this level. We don't have formed a new lower low below this level, so it is not considered to be a new lower high. This simple as fuck. So what we happen, market just turned bullish and break to the upside. So you just understand about trends. So this is what you need to identify trends. It's simple because I explain very simple manner. Bro, I've been through so many shits. I tried ICT, SMC, what the fuck ever it is. I tried it. This does not work at all. Bro, you can catch some good trades, but it does not meant to me. Okay, bro, I will tell the real source. The ICT SMC concepts really work, but I cannot be like stupid shit trading them when I can trade the absolute basics that absolutely work better than them. So yeah, I want a sense of clarity, so I have shifted to ICT SMC to totally basics. So yeah, we'll just clear the chart, and right now I will explain what the psychology behind farming and trends. Let's jump right in it. So yeah, for this we will use BTC. Oh man, I think it is not BTC. Oh sure, bro. I'll choose this. Oh fuck, we have a trade on this. Okay, we'll just stupidity. We'll just bootcamp one. So yeah, we will understand the trend in most simplest manner. Let me make up a story so that you can understand easily. Yeah, how it is. You're going to an amusement park. Yeah, amusement park, and you're going to be uh, going to ride on a roller coaster. You're excited, like you're excited. You're making videos, like you're really pumped. You're excited. You buy a ticket and join the line and waiting for your turn. When your turn comes, you're really excited. You go and you sit. You're really excited. You make videos. You're pumped. You're really excited. You want to see what will happen. The ride starts slowly. It's going up. It's going up. You're excited. You're more excited. It gets up. You're like a little bit worried. It will not go straight up. At some point of time, it will stop. It will start tilting. You're like anxious. You are like worried. What will happen? What will happen? Zup, it goes down. It goes with really speed. You're like, stop, stop. You're hallowing all the. You're really scared. When the ride ends, you feel like I am not going to come on this ride again. I will not get on this ride. This is fuck. I will not ever come on this ride. And you just leave, and you will not wants to come on that ride because of the experience you had with it. So let's get this on the charts. You can see the BTC have broke out of this consolidation after like 220 days approximately, which have been breaked out as per the Bitcoin cycle. Most of the people made wait a second. Most of the people made lot of money on this up move. They are really pumped. As I tell on the roller coaster story, you can implement it. Every like is going breaking out. Everybody's starting entering the price. It is going up. Everybody's pumped. Everybody excited. Everybody's making money. Wow, 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 wow. At some point of time, it will start tilting. Same tilting. So everybody's worried. What will happen next? Oh my God! What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? It falls. After the fall, everybody will like, oh man, fuck! I lost money. I made money. I lost money on this move. I will not come on this shit. It will probably go. more lower. I will not come on the shade. After this experience, most people leave trading. But what will happen? See, eventually market keep up and market went up. So this is the beginner's mindset of how they see trends for the first time. So that's been said. This is all for the video. Next video will come with more knowledgeable videos, and yeah, this is all about trends, and yeah, this is all about that. So yeah, here is a golden sauce for everybody. Never trade against the trend, which is simple. Some will have told you this. I know, but still most beginners do this mistake, taking trades against the trends. If you just take trades in the trend, you will be 50% chances you will make money. So do not lose the chances of making money by trading against it. That's been said. So yeah, here is a quick recap of this video. We learned about what is uptrend, what is downtrend, what is sideways trend, and we have learned about what is the psychology behind the trends as beginners we see. So yeah, this is all for the video. I am Dheeraj, your basic trading guy. Stay sharp, stay patient, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.